Hello and welcome to the Practical Animal channel with me, John Beaumont. Today's video is a product review. The product is a hog transport box which I bought from one of my suppliers of falconry furniture. So I review the box, its features, and at the end there is one major consideration that I give to you when I return in a couple of minutes. And don't forget to stay watching because the end section of the video is one of the more humorous outtakes of this one. Thank you very much.
Here's the new hawk transport box, as yet unpacked. It looks like Ada can't wait to get into it. Can you, Ada? So a review of the new hawk transport box from John Clutton of Reading. First impressions very favourable. A nice feel to the handle, doesn't feel like it's going to come out. It's nicely finished. The screws, well, a minor point, but they could be finished at exactly the same angle. Otherwise, all the fittings are solid. The handle, the loop for the leash, nice hole for the leash, ventilation forwards and behind. There is a full for the ventilation. Nice perch, very solid, no issues there, except I wonder about tail clearance. That's yet to be confirmed. Nice spacious interior, silicone finishing, looks solid enough. Not wiped out, which would have been nice, but as close to clinically clean as possible.
If you enjoyed this video, if you think it was useful in telling you what to think about before buying a hawk transport box online, please share it with your friends or anybody else who you think might find the information useful. Before we end, I'd like to leave you with a thought to share with your friends and followers and anybody you think might be wanting to transport a hawk or other bird in a transport box. The thought is this: does the box leave enough space, enough tail clearance between the tip of the bird's tail and the floor of the transport box? If you enjoyed this video, please smash that like button. Please share it with your friends and followers. And for more exclusive content on wildlife, the countryside and the animal industry, please subscribe to the channel. I'm John Beaumont. Please leave any comments below. Thank you very much.
So this is Ada christening the new transport box. First impressions, it's bigger than I imagined it would be. I'm very pleased with it. This is the first time Ada's been in it, and I'm just